We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I'm Dave. Today I want to share with you the custom projects for Dow Jones and give you some insights on how to create some custom projects of your own, and just give you a little tip if you're trying to make your own custom project. If you haven't already, check out the book that I wrote. It is the Quant Career Blueprint. This is going to show you exactly what to do start to finish, and it gives you some guidance on using strategy quant successfully. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Here is the Dow Jones blog. I will leave it in the description below. And here is where you can download it from Dropbox. And there is 3 versions in there for H1, H4, and daily charts. Tell me what you think of them. We're in strategy quant. We're going to go to the custom projects. And here are the Dow Jones custom projects. Here's my tip for making these custom projects. Just a short one right here in the builder. When you go into the data, you want to use selected time frame only. This one, the fastest one. Do not use 1 minute tick data. Just use the fastest. And then when it comes to the ranking, you can make your ranking like this. Okay, but then when you do the cross checks, you're going to click higher backtest precision, and then you're gonna make your filtering similar to the ranking that you have on the previous one. This one's actually missing one of them, the 30% win rate. You can add that or not. It's not gonna make a big difference. But then here is where you want to change the cross-check precision time to 1 minute. So the reason why you do that is so that the builder can really make strategies quickly. Okay, and that is when you have it on a lower time frame, it makes it much quicker. Okay, so let's just do a little test here. So we're making roughly in the first 10 seconds, we're making 400,000 strategies. Okay, but then we're gonna stop it, and now let's change it to 1 minute time frame, and then go back, and you'll see that it goes much slower when it makes strategies. Look at that, it took away almost another 0 and more. So look at 34,000. So from 400,000 roughly to 30,000 in the same amount of time. So that's just a tip for you when you're making strategies with the builder. You want to start off with those settings of using a non-precision time frame, and so just to create the strategies faster. And then later you want to cross-check it with a higher backtest precision. Thumbs up if you like the custom project. Thumbs up if you like the tip in the builder there on how to create strategies faster. And just an overall thumbs up just for life. And we'll see you maybe tomorrow, and I'll give you the S&P 500 version, and we'll keep this going every day. Let's go.